Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are taking a closer look at the Rexka 30pcs bumper cover splash shield mud guard screw bolt for Toyota Lexus. This incredible set of screws and bolts is designed to meet or exceed OEM specifications, ensuring the highest quality and durability for your vehicle. Whether you drive a Toyota or a Lexus, this set has got you covered. With a wide range of compatibility, it fits models such as RAV4, Avalon, Camry, Highlander, Prius, ES300h, GS350, and many more. You can rest assured that these high-quality screws and bolts will keep your vehicle in top condition. The black E-coat Phillips hex head screw, M6.1x 19mm with a 16mm washer OD and 10mm hex, is not only practical but also sleek in design. It's a small investment that will go a long way in protecting your vehicle and preventing any unnecessary damage. Don't overlook the importance of these small components in maintaining the overall integrity of your vehicle. By replacing outdated or worn-out bolts with this set, you can ensure the longevity of your vehicle and maintain its resale value. So, if you're ready to take the next step in caring for your Toyota or Lexus, click the link in the description to purchase the Rexka 30pcs bumper cover splash shield mud guard screw bolt. Don't wait any longer to give your vehicle the care and maintenance it deserves. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful product reviews and updates, and remember, your vehicle deserves the best.